Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to remove green screen in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can use this to remove green screen. I click here to start using Photopea. Next, we can go to File folder. I drag and drop an image into Photopea to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now we can go to layers. If you don't find layers window, we can show layers here. Now go back to layers and then make sure that we select the background image layer and then go to select and we can find color range. Click it. Then a color range window is pop up and I move it here so we can click to select the layer that we want to make a selection. Now I go to use the add and then click again to add the selection. Click it and click here. And then we can adjust the fastness to change selection to blur or sharp. I will use about 16 and then press OK. So we can make a selection around the girl. I want to remove the background, so I make an invert selection. Next, we can go back to layers window and then we can go to bottom to add a raster mask. Click it. So we can remove the green background. So this is how we can remove green screen background in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.